Hi, Melissa here. Do I look like I just woke up? Yes. I have to be ready. Mike said when he left for work this morning that there's a load of stone coming down at the other driveway, and I need to be ready. It's a triaxle load. I need to be ready to guide this truck in. So I just threw on my Outdoors with the Morgan shirt and a pair of jean shorts and some tennis shoes. So I'm gonna take the dogs out the trail for a walk, and on the straightaway, it's flat. There's not stones or tree roots or many sticks. I'm gonna show you a few exercises that you can do on a flat level surface, even while walking your dogs. And the question is, can you work out in jeans or jean shorts? We will see. We're gonna put these jean shorts to the test. They're just some cutoff jeans, as you've seen me on Outdoors with the Morgans or here at Morgans Off the Leash. My style is a hand-me-down, leftover. Does it fit? Oh, it fits one more time. Does it need washed? Doesn't matter. I can wear it one more time. It's my style. I'm resourceful with what I have. I love hand-me-downs. I love shopping at the Goodwill. But the question is, can you work out in jeans and jean shorts? We're gonna find out. Hey, Archie. Hi, Archie. The little trail exercises. I just did some lunges, butt kicks, toe touches. Can't remember what the first one was, but the butt kicks, you just run. Just ignore this part here. Okay, so you run and try to get your feet like that to kick up and hit your butt. That's toe touches. I just take my hand up to the sky and kick my foot up, and then I switch hands. I'll just show you on this one side, holding my camera. Yeah, like that. Oh, and the lunges, they were this. So you take a step out, keep your knee at a 90 degree. So your next one's gonna come out in front of you, and you're gonna go down in a lunge like that, up, down, and down. These are called walking lunges. Look, he's running in with a stick. Archie, ooh, he's so fast. Come on, Piper. Ugh. Good girl, Piper. You know what? I haven't been working out strict like every day when I was going to the gym at 5:30 in the morning. Hopefully I can get started back at that when the gym gets open. Have stayed active with doing the chores, you know, working with Mike with the wood, and my weights, and you know, I get on the rower or the bike. But you know, you can never outwork a bad nutrition plan. So bad eating habits, you know, you just can't. In my case, I gotta steer clear of the carbs. Now, once again, I'm not a professional. I only know what I know as a 50-year-old mom. Things that I've tried that's worked, things that I've tried that doesn't work. Okay, we're back at the house. The dogs are just gonna play here on the cement. You can start with a bucket, just a 5-gallon bucket. You can put your feet on this and then get into the hold, and then you can graduate to a table and get into that hold. And from there, so I'm gonna show you the gradual bucket, table, then kicking up on the wall. And I am going to kick up against the brick wall alongside of these boards that Mike has here and just hold a handstand hold for Coach Piper. She was doing all the counting and making sure that I was good on that hold. Archie, say good morning. And Piper and Rue are resting in the shade. All right, so the question is, can you work out in jeans and jean shorts? Absolutely. If you can bale hay or cut wood, clean the barn, all those sorts of things you do in overalls or jeans and work boots, you can definitely just walk the dogs out the trail in some jean shorts and do some simple exercises and stretching to warm up. All right, we're going for another trail walk. Archie's off the leash. Morgan's off the leash here. So in that thick grass, we just kicked up a doe. We weren't 10 yards from her. So that's what the dogs are smelling. Archie, he came back. He just wasn't sure. Hunter, did you see the deer? Yeah? She probably just ran down in that valley. I mean, the dogs weren't chasing her. This little guy, you always checking on Mom, huh? Okay, should we go catch up with Hunter? Okay, so you want to keep your spine nice and straight and the weight down on 2 knees and 2 hands, like this. Okay, so now take your left thumb and your hand will be in a fist with the thumbs up, and your arm comes up, around. It's gonna bounce off your behind and bring it back around. But when you spin around, it needs to rotate so you have the thumbs up still. Okay, I'm gonna move further away. You can see. Up and around, up and around. Okay, next, same with the other arm. Thumbs up to the sky, around. In this direction to show you, you wanna keep your arms as close as your ear to your head as you can, and always the thumbs up. It's gonna get the blood flowing, just like stretches and warm-up exercises are important. You wanna wake up your whole body and be like, we're gonna get at it. You know, like I said, it's like the Mike Morgan here. Welcome to Outdoors with the Morgans, and this is what we're gonna get into today. His hand clap is kind of like a, let's wake up, get ready to work. And yeah, so good stretches and some warm-up exercises are good to do. The question is, can you do them in jeans or jean shorts so far? All right, now we're gonna stand up. I'm gonna show you a burpee. I'm okay with burpees. I should say this. I'm okay with like a couple dozen. Anything after that, we're all sucking air. But it's a warm-up exercise, so just stand to start. What you're gonna do is your hands go up, give a little jump, your hands come down. So you're gonna have the bend in your knee, and when you come down, your hands hit, then you transfer your weight to your hands and you kick your feet out behind you. You go down, everything touches. You push back up, and then you jump up your feet and jump up, okay? So that was a slow motion, step by step. Okay, that's a couple burpees and some jean shorts. So far, we're still moving. The squats, I just put my feet out a tiny bit wider than my shoulders, and my feet are turned slightly. There's a bend in my knee, and then my hips go back slightly, but at the same time they just drop. So drop, you want your spine straight. When you're down here, your elbows can push your knees out. Stay in that bottom of your squat for a few seconds, right? I'll stand up. We're gonna do a couple of those. So your weight should be in your heels. Front ways again. Push position with that bend in the knee with your hips going back, and then drop. You can use your elbows to push your knees out, and then stand back up. So just do a couple of those to show you. But okay, this is just a fun little video. Yeah, so the question was, can you work out in jeans and jean shorts? Yes, you can. I have to say, I'm feeling good, but it feels good to be outdoors. It feels good to be, I love being around the dogs and walking them on the trails. And I sure do appreciate all of you, your comments, support, your cards. I got a really nice card in the mail today, and really is a nice vote of confidence. So hopefully there's going to be a video each Wednesday, Workout Wednesday, just some stretches, few clips of working out exercises like stretches, and some working on some mobility things. Yeah, so the question was just kind of a fun video of, can you work out in jeans and jean shorts? Absolutely, but it's more ideal to move better with your mobility and flexibility. You don't want anything to rub, or what's my call it, chafing, especially as you get hot and sweaty. Have the appropriate gear, such as workout clothing. That's ideal. You're going to want to wear comfortable shoes, and yeah, so I think the answer is yes, you can work out in jeans, but remember, as I said earlier, you can't outwork a bad nutrition or bad eating habits. You got to make changes, even if you make them gradually. Drinking water is important. Remember, I'm not a professional, not a coach, not any sort of professional. I'm just a mom, 50 years old, fighting the battle to stay in shape. All right, thanks so much for watching. Like the exercise, thumbs up, which is clicking the like, subscribing, commenting down below. I love to hear from you, and thanks so much. See you on the next one. Piper. Foot. Archie. These are my sunglasses. Okay, no. All right, Archie had my sunglasses. Okay, now, left foot goes out front. Your two hands are directly below your shoulders. Your back leg is straight. And I'm not sure you can see. Let me see if I can. Okay.